good evening. Today we will be covering the post-market analysis dated 25th July 2022. Fears of global economic slowdown along with the reaction to a slew of major quarterly earnings dictated the trend in the domestic market. Benchmark indices ended lower in the volatile session on July 25 with Nifty below 16,700. At close, the Sensex was down 306 points with a change of 0.55% at 55,766.22. On the stock-specific front, we have Tata Steel, IndusInd Bank, and Coal India were among the top Nifty gainers. Tata Steel shares gained around 2% on July 25 morning mainly due to two important triggers, stock split and quarterly earnings this week. While shares of IndusInd Bank rose as much as 2.08% after the lender reported a 64% year-on-year jump in net profit at 1,603.29 crore rupees for the first quarter ended June 30, 2022. On the flip side, we have Mahindra and Mahindra fell the most by 3.83%, followed by Reliance Industries which declined 3.30% after the company's June quarter earnings failed to cheer investors. Meanwhile, Nifty Auto underperformed the NSE platform by falling nearly 2%. Talking about the recent developments in the corporate segment, we have Natco Pharma Limited on Monday said its partner Breckenridge Pharmaceutical Incorporation has received approval from the U.S. health regulator for generic cabazitaxel intravenous powder used in the treatment of prostate cancer. Citing industry data, Jevtana Kit generated annual sales of $303 million during the 12 months ended May 2022. Ashok Leyland, flagship of the Hinduja Group and the second largest manufacturer of commercial vehicles in India, has signed a memorandum of understanding with Adani Capital to enter into a strategic financing partnership for its range of light commercial vehicles. This memorandum of understanding will enable both Ashok Leyland and Adani Capital to offer customized financial solutions for its customers in the small commercial vehicle and light commercial vehicle segment. Tata Motors on Friday said it has bagged an order for 1,500 electric buses from Delhi Transport Corporation as part of a tender by Convergence Energy Services Limited. The auto major will supply, operate and maintain air-conditioned, low-floor, 12-meter fully built electric buses for 12 years. The delivery of these buses will further fortify the partnership with DTC and help in environment-friendly mass mobility for the city of Delhi. Zomato's shares tumbled today because the investor lock-in period ended today. As many as 613 crore shares which were locked in since the initial public offering in July 2021, which can now be traded freely. This is not the first time that an investor lock-in period for Zomato has ended. Back in August last year, the company's shares tumbled 8% as the lock-in period for anchor investors ended. Mahindra and Mahindra announced a collaboration with chipmaker Qualcomm to bring latest technology advancements for comfortable, safe and intelligent driving experiences in its all-new Scorpio N vehicle. The chipmaker will work with automotive electronics company Visteon Corporation to bring world-class, transformative in-vehicle experiences to the all-new Scorpio N, using its third-generation Snapdragon cockpit platforms. You can contact us from the details mentioned on the screen via missed call, WhatsApp or email. Thank you for being patient and listening the video to the end. Please do like, share, and subscribe the channel to know the latest updates in the market. That's all for today. See you tomorrow.